What is the shape of iron or powder ball press? The pellet shape of iron or powder ball press can be changed, commonly round, square, and rectangular, which can be controlled by the roll die. But in most cases, the material shape of iron or powder ball press is spherical, which is conducive to demolding and is not easy to break during transportation. As for the type of iron or powder ball press, the larger the iron or powder ball press, the size of the roller directly affects the processing capacity. Therefore, the larger the ball roller, the higher the yield. Pressure ball size can be carried out according to industry standards. In general, its size and shape are more common. If there are special application requirements, the ball size can be customized from the manufacturer. The ball produced by iron or powder ball press determines whether the material burns well in the smelting process and plays an important role in the whole process.